In this quick tutorial, we're going to show you how you can enable the taskbar across all of your connected displays here on Windows 11. If this video does help you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for even more Windows 11 guides just like this. But first things first, once you do get onto your computer, what you're going to want to do is actually right click on your taskbar, and there's going to be these two options that do pop up. Go ahead and select taskbar settings from this menu. Now in this settings window that will automatically open up, scroll down until you find the option of show my taskbar on all displays. You might have to find the taskbar behavior section first. Just open that up and you'll see it in here. Just make sure that it says when using multiple displays, show my taskbar on all taskbars right here, and you'll be good to go. But that is literally it. It really is as simple as that. If you do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below. But your taskbar now should appear on all of your connected screens, making multitasking so much easier and making you more efficient. If this video did help you out, make sure to leave a like on this video, share with some friends, and of course subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help out the channel. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.